evening, Nigerians, whatever time you're going to be watching this, be it morning, afternoon, or evening. We are live at the Balmoral Hall VI, where we are having Laff Mattazz with Gbenga Adeyinka, the first, the one and only first in the comedy industry. So I am Chioma Dorcas Okohia, and here we'll be meeting some of the delegates that will be meeting up with me here on the red carpet, and you will look forward to meeting them here today. So don't go anywhere, because I will be bringing you the sweetest, amazing, and the most handsome and beautiful dudes you've ever seen on the red carpet when it comes to comedy. I will be meeting some of the celebrities here today, so don't go anywhere. I will be right back, and I am Chioma Dorcas Okohia. Okay, see who is with me here on the red carpet, our elegant, beautiful, amazing Esther. Good evening, Esther.
Hi, good evening. How are you doing?
I'm great, and you look so dashing, so gorgeous, so beautiful. I've been swept off my feet already.
I am blushing, but really you look good too. Thank you so much for the compliment.
Thank you. So what are you doing here today? What brought you out here? This is Laff Mattazz 2023.
So, I mean, it's Gbenga Adeyinka, the first. Who doesn't love Gbenga Adeyinka? And something that has stood out for me is the quality of comedians that he has picked so far. I mean, Ali Baba will be performing, Funny Bone will be performing, and our legendary Two-Face will be performing. So who wouldn't want to be here? So that's why I'm here, basically for Gbenga Adeyinka.
Oh, basically for Gbenga Adeyinka. If you were not here last year and you missed it this year, sweetheart, you were missing. So what are you looking forward to? What is the thing that you don't want to miss in the hall today?
So here's the thing. When I come out to events like this, I'm just open-minded. I just want to basically have fun, laugh. But I'm looking forward to Gbenga Adeyinka, the first performing. The guy is super talented, and he's been able to, you know, maintain what he does for so long.
Excellence.
Exactly. So I'm looking forward to him performing tonight.
Wow. Okay, Esther, can you perform for me a little here before you go?
Let me tell you, the song that is playing.
Yeah.
I know I cannot do all of the dance there, but one song that.
Okay, now just give it to me. Give it to me. Oh, that's a beautiful one, Esther. Thank you for joining me today to have fun.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, thank you. And that was our beautiful Esther. She gave us some dance steps. So if you want to join me here, stay tuned, don't go anywhere, because we'll be right back. I am Chioma Dorcas Okohia. Don't go anywhere. On this red carpet today, I am meeting amazing individuals. But this person that is standing beside me, I'm not going to say he's handsome, because there's a level Emma will get so handsome to, and you just say this person is beautiful. This young man here, he's beautiful, and I want you to meet
Whistler.
His name is Whistler. That's one outstanding thing on my red carpet. You meet outstanding people. Their names are not the ones you used to hear. So I want you to meet Whistler. Whistler, you look like an artist. Do you sing?
No.
What do you do?
I'm a pharmacist in the States.
From where?
In the US.
Whoa! I have a pharmacist on my red carpet. Can you do that? Can you be that? And it is here at Laff Mattazz 2023 at the Balmoral Event Center. So, what do you look forward to today, Whistler?
I'm sorry?
What do you look forward to today?
Oh, everything. Oh, Two-Face. I want to see Two-Face.
Oh, so Two-Face dragged you here?
Yes. Yes.
So can you
My
just...
hotel's over there.
Your what?
My hotel is over there.
Oh, wow. So you heard that Two-Face is here, you bought a ticket.
I bought a ticket.
See, it's only Gbenga the first that can give you this kind of thing. They can bring your lover, the person you admire, into the game, and you will not know when you buy ticket though. Let's like Whistler here. So Whistler, can you just give us one or two lines of Two-Face that you know, one of his songs?
I don't know it, but I know your song.
You don't know any of his lines.
But I don't, I'm not African, but I know his song. That's my favorite artist from Africa, yeah.
Okay, so I hope you have fun as you go
I
in to
will.
meet Two-Face inside, and you got to have fun. Just sing his songs, and if it's possible, take a picture or two before you go today. Okay, now.
Sure, I will. Thank you.
Do have a wonderful day, Whistler. Thank you. And that was Whistler. He's not a Nigerian, but he came all the way. So have a blessed and amazing day. But don't go anywhere, because we'll be right back. It is still here at Laff Mattazz 2023. Don't go anywhere. I told you that on this red carpet, you are going to meet some celebrities. And guess who I have with me on the red carpet? I have Wizzy Flow. He's gonna flow, and it's before he leaves the red carpet today, he's gonna give us one or two flows. How you doing, Wizzy?
I'm alright. How are you?
I'm great. I heard you're performing today. So what will you be giving us on the podium?
Oh my God! I'm just going to do something that you say, oh, Lagos again. Can this happen again?
Lagos again. Can this happen again? But we want to receive some free flows on the red carpet before you leave.
Possibility to my ability. Why I no go flex when I know life na vanity? Vanity, vanity, vanity na vanity. Why I no go flex when I know vanity na vanity? But I thank the Lord for my life. Make you thank God for your life. I keep thanking God for my living every day. Say I'm thanking God for my life. Make you thank the Lord for
my
your
life.
I say thank the Lord for the living. Yes, I'm living, cause many in trouble, many in sorrow, many have died.
Wow, that's a good one, Wizzy. I can't wait to I believe a lot of persons can't wait to hear what you will do inside today. Do have a wonderful evening.
Thank you, brah. So they come in with the flow.
Thank you, Wizzy. And that was Wizzy with us here on the red carpet. You just have to thank God for your life because that's what one of his songs said today. Don't go anywhere because it is getting hotter and the pressure is getting worse. So don't go anywhere because Choma is yet to release the hot. So stay tuned. Hello people, it's still Laff Mattazz 2023 and we are still here at the Balmoral Hall and I have two amazing young men standing, one by my left and one by my right. And I want you to meet Rudy Bounty.
AKA YGs.
You heard that? Say it again.
It's your boy Rudy Bounty, AKA YGs.
Why
Jesus?
Oh, why Jesus? Is it why did they crucify him on the cross or which one?
Yeah, why Jesus? Sweet Jesus.
Oh my God. Okay, and I have our Cam. This one is Cam. He's a cold man, like he's calm. Cam Stanley. Good evening, Stanley.
Hello, how are you doing?
I'm great.
All right. We're here to have fun. Benga Denka is one of the people.
For the people?
Oh yes, and
by the people?
By the people and for the people. So we're here. The whole of Lagos is here.
Yeah.
So our expectation is high because if it's coming from Benga Denka, if it's coming from Lagos, then it must be premium. So that's why we're here. So I can't wait to go inside. I can see notable comedians are coming in. Kofi Da Guru is going to perform tonight, and I want to see him perform.
And hope if he's performing, you will not lose your home training and just.
My home training is strong and solid.
It's strong and solid.
Yeah, I'm not.
Are you sure?
Very sure.
Are you sure?
Very sure.
Okay, that was Stanley. Okay, let's hear from you, Bounty.
Yeah, Rudy Bounty. I'm listening.
So, what do you have for us today? What brought you here?
I have plenty joy for everybody waiting here. As a philanthropist, I give everybody joy, happiness.
What do you
make
do?
everybody happy. I just want to bless everybody.
Rudy Bounty, calm down. What do you do? What do you do? And why the name Rudy Bounty? Why?
The name Bounty, because I'm a bounty hunter. Can't you see me? I'm a bounty hunter.
So how many bounty have you caught here today?
Plenty bounties. You, a bounty.
Okay, Rudy, but what are you looking forward to today? This is 2023 with Adeyinka, Benga Adeyinka.
Today, at least to see a beautiful face like you. Okay, and everybody here, I'm happy to meet everybody here. And I'm happy to come to experience Benga 2023. Wow, it's going to be bomb.
Yeah.
Here in Lagos, again and again.
Thank you, Rudy Bounty.
Benga, we are here for you.
Thank you, Rudy Bounty. Thank you. And that was Rudy Bounty. The guy just swept me up. I think the guy is good, actually. So this is telling you that amazing talents, amazing people are coming here for Benga Adeyinka the first. So stay tuned because it is not over yet. We just got started. I am Choma Dorcas Soko here. Okay, I have with me here, still on the red carpet, King Fabian. Good evening, King Fabian.
Good evening, my beautiful damsel.
I'm not your host, please.
No.
Don't mind me, I'm just joking.
You understand?
Yeah, thank you so much, King Fabian.
You are really beautiful.
Thank you. I'm blushing. So what brought you here today and why are you here?
I'm here for Laff Mattazz.
What is that? Who is that particular artist that brought you out today?
Tubaba will be in the building.
Sorry?
Tubaba in the building.
So you're the Tubaba fan.
Tubaba.
So he's here for Tubaba, and I believe, what are you looking forward to if Tubaba should come up on the stage?
I'm just looking for fun. I know it's going to be fun tonight. Kofi's around already. I'm seeing some of the comedians, Funny bro, Mr. Funny. It's in the building already, so it's going to be fun all through.
Oh wow, that's good. Thank you so much for coming here, King Fabian. Just make sure you have fun. Don't look at anybody's face. If you want to lose your home training, lose it and just have fun.
I'm not going to lose anything. I'm going to have fun.
Yeah,
and in case you don't know, I'm King Fabian. my music is also on air already.
Wow, that's
So
good.
just type "Beautiful" by King Fabian and enjoy the Afrobeat.
Yeah, just have fun. Take care.
Thank you.
Two Baba.
Too, Baba.
Yeah, take care. Thank you for coming. Okay, that's another Two Baba fan in the building. We still want to know who dragged some persons out. Who did they see on the flyer? Who did they see on the billboard that made them come out? It's still here live on the red carpet at Benga Adeyinka's the first 2023 Laff Mattazz. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back. Okay, and we are live here at the Laff Mattazz 2023. And guess who I have with me on the red carpet? We just got started though, and this is our only Baba the Baba.
Yo, baby.
Hey, hey. Please, is this there? Just give us now. The way you're doing,
I'm
Baba
a
the
dancer.
Baba.
I'm an elderly man. So I'll not come and start shaking.
But it flows from within now, Baba the Baba.
It's fun for what?
It flows from within.
From within.
Yes, now.
From within.
It flows from within now.
It's flowing. It's not flowing.
How you doing, sir?
I'm good. I'm
Yeah, how? So what should we look forward to receiving from you today on
good.
the...
It's joke.
Just joke.
They want to laugh now, so we need to make them laugh.
Oh, yeah,
you
now.
know, so some people that cannot laugh, we tickle them, so they will laugh.
Oh, yeah,
But
now
the cocoa is that they are going to laugh.
They are going to laugh. But yeah, can you give us more, just sprinkle some cocoa for us here?
Okay, my son wants to take his school to court.
For what, da?
He said they went for debate, and the person they paired with him does not know book. So it came out second. The school came out second instead of first. So he wants to sue his headmistress for choosing that guy. So they find cheap lawyer. So we're going to discuss it there.
Should we choose Labisi?
We can't afford that. We're looking for upcoming lawyer.
Thank you so much, Baba Di Baba. So it's Laff Mattazz 2023. What is so outstanding? What is something that is so peculiar about this 2023?
The show is big, it's bigger than the other one, so that is what is peculiar about it. It's very big. See motto for red carpet. I don't know if they want to sell it or they want to dash somebody. You understand? People are enjoying.
Okay.
So what is peculiar about this is that it's 2023. It is not 2022.
Okay.
So it is supposed to be bigger
And better.
and better.
So they should look forward to something bigger,
And
better.
better.
Okay,
Yes,
yeah.
yes.
Thank you so much, Baba Di Baba. It's so nice having you today on the red carpet. Thank you so much. Thank you.